Today, we're dealing with a sovereign citizen Karen who refuses to give her name or take part in her trial, and as a result, she ends up with a bench warrant. Let's get into it.
Ma'am, Miss John Williams.
Hello.
Hello, can you turn your camera on for me, please?
Okay.
Ma'am, you don't want an attorney this morning?
No, I am the authorized representative. I'm making a special limited appearance for the all caps name.
Okay. All right. Let me call this matter then. Now calling the matter of the People versus John Sherelle Williams. This is ticket SP 1534898. Count 1, no insurance misdemeanor. May I have your appearance for the record, ma'am, please?
Hello. Can you?
I can hear you. I need your appearance for the record, ma'am. Can you hear us? I could just hear you a moment ago.
Hello. Can
Hello?
you hear me now?
Can you hear us? Yep, I can
Yeah,
hear
I can hear you now. Something's going on with the phone. I'm in the side of the building.
Yeah, I was about to say it's because you're in the building, ma'am. Can you state your name for the record, please?
I am the authorized representative of the all caps name, John Sherelle Williams.
All right. And it's my understanding today that you don't want to be represented by an attorney. Is that correct?
Yes, I have power of attorney.
Okay. And you know that you have the absolute right to have an attorney. This matter is a misdemeanor before my court. So certain constitutional rights kick in. The fine is up to $500. A possible, I believe, now this one ticket is 90 days maximum in jail, potentially, in these particular matters. So when we start taking away civil liberties, there's a right to have an attorney. You understand that, ma'am?
Yes.
Okay. Ma'am, how would you like to move forward with this? Do you have current insurance, up-to-date and current insurance?
Actually, I took the car and I put it inside of the business, the trust. And I'm not operating a vehicle now because we need to do some more paperwork on it. I am in the process of rescinding all my contracts. I'm just here to make a special appearance.
To make a special appearance, you need to do so in an adult English class. Also, if you don't hold a professional license or a P number, you can't make a special appearance on behalf of anyone, including yourself.
Okay, so let me let you know. So even if you're making a special appearance on behalf of that, either you have insurance or you don't have insurance. And then you need to tell me how you would like to proceed forward. We can either proceed forward with the plea, proceed forward with the trial, bench,
As I understand the process, the judge, the county attorney, or the police officer has leveled the criminal charge with the clerk against the trust using the all cap name.
Ma'am, it's all the same. So whether it's all caps or lower caps, if it comes under your driver's license number and it's a registered vehicle to you, it's your responsibility. So my question was, do you or don't you have insurance at this point in time?
I'm asking you to dismiss the case with prejudice.
Okay, so I'm not going to do that because it's still an open case and I still don't have whether or not you have insurance. It has to be provided. Any vehicles that are driven, road, traveled on the roads have to have insurance in the state of Michigan.
Well, the clerk, who is the administrator of the CSTQ trust, then appointed you, the judge, as the trustee for the trust. And since neither of you can be the beneficiary, that leaves me. And therefore, you are my trustee.
That's not how it works. Your trust isn't the one facing criminal charges. You are. Refusing to acknowledge the all caps name doesn't change the fact that the all caps name still legally identifies you.
So as my trustee, I instruct you to discharge this entire matter at your argument of trial of judge will ask you. Okay?
No. So here's your options. You can either plead or you can have a bench or jury trial. How would you like to proceed? Or if you don't want to participate. Or if you don't want to participate.
I don't want a contract at all. I don't want a contract at all.
So if you don't want to participate, then what we do is the next stage is the show cause or capias.
So as my trustee, I instruct you to discharge this entire matter with prejudice and award the penalties for these charges to be paid to me and compensation, damages, or for all false arrests.
All right. So it seems like she doesn't want to participate in today's hearing. So I'm going to set this for a show cause on the date of July 22nd, 2024 at 8:30 a.m. At that point in time, Ms. Jean-Pierre Sherelle Williams would like to participate in the hearing, she can return to court. Bond set at $0 personal. Have a great day, ma'am.
You as well.
We've now reached the end of the first hearing, and some of you might be wondering why Judge Taylor issued a show cause instead of a capias. So, what's the difference? A show cause is simply an order requiring someone to return to court and explain their non-compliance. A capias, on the other hand, is an order for law enforcement to bring the person back to court. In other words, a bench warrant.
I ain't really want to argue with her at the front of my docket. I was gonna make her wait till the very end. Jean-Pierre Williams. Thank you so much. Jean-Pierre Williams.
Hello.
Hello. You turn your camera on,
Yes.
please.
Yes.
All right.
How you doing?
I'm fine. How about yourself? All right. Now calling the matter of the people versus Jean-Pierre Sherelle Williams. This is ticket number SP153489A1, count no insurance misdemeanor. May I have appearances for the record, starting with counsel, please?
I am here as the authorized
Our counsel,
representative of the all cap name. I am here to make a special appearance, limited special appearance.
All right. So
I'm
are you?
a foreign entity challenging your jurisdiction.
Karen, you're arguing with the English language at this point. I'll give you this: you are the named individual on the charging document, which technically makes you the authorized representative.
Okay. So I need the actual person, Jean-Pierre Williams. So if you're representing her, I need her to be online as well. So if she cannot be online, I can't proceed with this hearing today, and she's going to be capious at this point in time.
Okay, so that all
do you have
cap
the
name
opportunity to-
was created by the state of Michigan for public and political purposes. Are you bringing suit to your own corporation? I am a non-resident alien. Listen to me. I'm telling you.
I'm here for, no ma'am. I give you very specific things. This is a matter for no insurance for Jean-Pierre Sherelle Williams. If she is not present today, I cannot handle this matter.
Okay.
Okay? So is she present
Judge,
today?
do you have any interest in the case of filing a W-9 or a 1040 form with the IRS?
No. This is a traffic matter for no insurance misdemeanor. And if you're not Jean-Pierre Williams, you don't have any claims in this case anyway. So I need that person to appear, or else this case will be capious today.
I'm asking you to dismiss the case. Charges.
I don't know.
I am
who
an
you are,
authorized representative. I just told you I'm an authorized
Do you
representative.
have a P number? Because the only person who can represent someone in court is an attorney. What is your P number, ma'am?
I'm an attorney in fact. Listen.
No. Listen, she just asked for your P number, and if you don't have one, that means you're not an attorney and you're not making a special appearance for anyone. She's already warned you that if you refuse to play the game like an adult, you don't have to, but there are consequences, and they begin with a bench warrant.
I'm asking you to dismiss this case.
I'm not.
If not, I will put a
person-
UCC. I
Jean-Pierre
will lean
Williams?
it. I will lean it.
Quiet.
Jean-Pierre Sherelle Williams, are you present, ma'am? Jean-Pierre Williams, are you present twice?
I am
Jean-Pierre
here
Sherelle
to
Williams,
make a special limit appearance
Are you
on the
present?
behalf of
Ms. Williams, if
John?
you're not gonna answer the question she asked, and don't say anything.
I am here to make a special appearance, limited appearance on the behalf of Jean-Pierre Williams, the agent.
Okay, so Jean-Pierre
Authorized
Williams is not
representative.
present.
Authorized representative.
All right, so if she's not present today, I cannot move
Non-resident
forward because I
alien.
need her present. All right, so there will be a capias put out on her zero bond until she appears before the court. I need to have Jean-Pierre Sherelle Williams appear before the court so that I can make sure I have the right person who has this
That
ticket.
all cap name
of
was
no insurance.
created by the state of Michigan for public and political purposes. Are you bringing suit to your own corporation?
Thank you. Jambier Sherelle Williams is capious until she appears before my court to answer to the no insurance misdemeanor ticket. Thank you.
As much as they hate submitting to the court's jurisdiction, it's still a lot better than dealing with the police when they come to arrest you. And that's the end of this video, short and to the point. Karen is headed to jail over traffic tickets thanks to her own terrible choices. If you enjoyed the video, hit the like button. If not, hit dislike. Don't forget to leave a comment below and subscribe with notifications on so you don't miss any of my future content.